All right, so we are starting with a jar of caramel in our graham cracker crust. I'm using the salted caramel, but any caramel will work for this delicious no-bake dessert, okay? We use that whole jar, Smucker's salted caramel. Next, we're gonna come in with our banana slices, and we are just gonna place those all over that caramel, and it's gonna be so delicious. Caramel and banana are just two combinations of flavors that I love to put together. It is gonna be so delicious and easy. You just need to pick up a pre-made pie crust, and you probably already have some bananas lying around in your house. This is gonna be amazing. Okay, we are gonna use, I think, 2 whole bananas for this because we want a nice thick layer for this dessert. Okay, beautiful. Now we're just gonna tuck this in the fridge while we work on the next step. All right, we're grabbing a large bowl that I chilled in the freezer. I have some heavy whipping cream. We're gonna use this whole bottle. This is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Right into our chilled bowl. We're gonna add a little bit of powdered sugar right in there. Add as much as you like, depending on how sweet you like your whipped cream. Okay, I added about a cup of powdered sugar into mine. Now I have here my hand whisk, and we are gonna whip this up. You wanna make sure that that heavy whipping cream gets nice and fluffy. So we whipped that for about 5 minutes, and now it is the perfect consistency. You can see it kind of just has a slight jiggle to it. Let's go ahead and grab our pie. All right, we have our banana caramel pie here, and we're gonna get all of this whipped cream right on top of that. Oh my gosh, look how soft and beautiful that is. This is gonna be delicious. Now, if you don't want to make homemade whipped cream, you could just buy some Cool Whip. But for this one, since it's already so easy, I thought might as well make homemade whipped cream. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Let's get a little bit more on there so we can cover up all of those spots. Beautiful. All right, now this is gonna stay in the fridge for 1 hour or until ready to serve. All right, it's been 1 hour in the fridge. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Now we have one more step, and this is optional, but I have some milk chocolate, some Cadbury milk chocolate. Oh my gosh, let's get this out. And we are just gonna get some chocolate little pieces right on there. I'm using my peeler so that we have nice little curls. You could do dark chocolate or white chocolate, or you could just top it off with more bananas. But I just love this little sprinkle of chocolate on this delicious pie. No bake, oh my goodness, okay. I think that looks about good. Let's go ahead and get a slice. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering. What is not to love? Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at all of that. Oh, that's gonna be delicious. Okay, I know it fell apart, so if you guys have any tips on how to keep this more together, put it in the comments, but I know it's still gonna taste amazing. Oh my gosh, that is heavenly. You guys gotta try it.